Hello all, welcome to Python Vibes YouTube channel. In this channel, we will be posting all the Python based interview questions and answers along with the explanation. These videos will help you to understand the Python basic and advanced concepts and provide you the guidance to build programming logics so that you can crack your coding interviews easily. If you found these videos helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe to Python Vibes YouTube channel. Let's get into our today's video. Our next interview question is, what are the differences between sort and sorted in Python? So we know that sort and sorted, these are the functions in Python which can be used to sort the elements. But exactly we were not sure how the sort and sorted are differed each other. So let's see first sorted. The sorted function is used to sort iterables like lists, tuples or strings in ascending order by default. It returns a new sorted list leaving the original iterable unchanged. That means when we use this sorted, the initial object whatever we had taken, that is not going to change. It will create a new object with the sorted elements and it is not going to change the original object. So let's see the syntax of this sorted method. So the syntax for the sorted function is sorted and it takes one iterable as an argument and key as another argument and reverse. So these are the three things it will accept as a parameters. So let's see the iterable. Iterable, we know that the input iterable that you wanted to sort, like any list, tuple or string. So this is the iterable, and key is nothing but some function which takes an element from the iterable and returns a value based on which the sorting is done. So mainly the key will take a main role in this sorted function. So whatever the function or the action we were taking in the sorted method, the items will be sorted based on this is the main thing. It will consider it. We will be considering key as a main thing which will sort the values, and also reverse. Reverse is like when we set it to true, the iterable will be sorted in descending order, but by defaultly it is set to false, so the sorting is done in the ascending order. If you don't pass this reverse parameter, by defaultly it will take it as a false, so that the return values would be in the ascending order. And we need to know that this key and reverse are the optional parameters. We can either choose to pass it or not pass these key and reverse elements. So let me take IDE here. We will see what the sorted method looks like. So I have a list like numbers list. Let me take it as a numbers equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and just wanted to sort the numbers. What did I mention earlier? This is not going to change the existed ones, so that is the reason I'm taking it as sorted numbers to save into other object. So sorted of numbers, so that it. So here we need to remember one thing. I have taken the sorted numbers as a separate variable because the sorted is not going to directly make the changes on the original object. It will be returning some new sorted list of elements. So that is the reason I wanted to store all those results into the sorted numbers variable. So if we print this sorted numbers, let me save it and run it. We will see 1 2 3 4 5. Let me change this order so that we can see the difference. I'm giving one random numbers like this way. I just given, let me keep it as another number. So I'm saving it and running this program. I can see the elements are being sorted. So we also know that the sorted will accept key as a parameter. So key equals to, if we know the lambda functions, we can make it as, so instead of numbers, let me take some names here. If we remember the syntax of the sorted function, we have iterable object which is numbers, and then key and reverse. These were the two optional parameters we have seen. So for that reason, how do we use those key and reverse variables? We can see it here. So I have some names like random names like Baba, and then baby, and then baby, and then I also have Babu. So these are some random names I just imagined as a list of names. So I want to sort these names. If I would just sort it, it will sort the basically the starting character. It will consider, and after that, if those are same, then it will go for next character, and so on. It will check the order of the characters in each word, and it will sort these names. what do we get here? If I would print it, Baba, Babu, Baby, Bibi. So these are the my sorted names. So what do we do? I wanted to sort based on last or the last character for each name. So here if we see A, U, I, B is there. So I wanted to sort these names based on last character. For that, what I will pass, I'll be passing some key, and this key will take some anonymous function, which is lambda function. Lambda, this character, some x colon I'll just take, and then the last character. To get the last character, how do we get the name of -1? So the name of -1, which is nothing but the last element in that name. X of -1 is equivalent to the in each name the last character. So I wanted to sort based on the last character in each name. So that is where we can pass our key argument. So let me save it and run this. We have A, I, U, Y. These are the last characters it has compared and sorted the elements. And we know that defaultly reverse has been set to ascending. So I want to set it to true, so that in descending order it will sort and give me the results. So if we observe the output Y, U, I, A, in reverse order it has sorted the names. So we can see that names is a iterable object, and key and reverse are the optional parameters to the sorted method. Next we will see for what is sort. Sort is also a built-in method available for list. It is used to sort the elements of a list in ascending order. Unlike the sorted function, which returns a new sorted list, the sort method modifies the original list in place, reordering its elements. So what is this sort method is doing? It is going to change the original list itself, and it will sort the elements in that list, and it will return those list of elements. So if we can see the syntax, list name dot sort, key equals to none, reverse equal to false. As usual, key and reverse are same like sorted method only. This key and reverse will be optional parameters. So I had initialized one list called numbers. I have 4, 1, 2, 442 and 121. These numbers I wanted to sort and return the list. So what will I do? Numbers dot sort, and then I will print the numbers. So what will happen? It will just give me the sorted list of elements 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 4, 2. So I have one list called names. Names is a list which contains list of tuples, and in each list we have 2 elements, 3 and 3, 1, 2. These are some random numbers, and Baba, Bibi, Baby. These are just some names, you can consider that. So there are 3 Babas, 1 Bibi, 2 babies. So that way we can take it. But what do I wanted to do here is I wanted to sort these names based on the name of this tuple. So what will I do? Names dot sort, and we know that we can pass the key by using any function. So I am defining the lambda function here, key equal to lambda, and the name, and in that name also, name is a tuple which I can see it. Otherwise I can take it as a tuple, and in that tuple I wanted to sort based on the this names here. The name is at index 1, so that's the reason I'm passing it as 1, tuple of 1. So what will happen if I would print this names here? I could see the list has been sorted based on the names. So I just want, suppose if I wanted to sort based on the tuple, I can do it in the tuple also, the first element which is number. If I wanted to sort based on that, I can do it by using this 1, 2, 3. These are the sorted elements in that list. So this is how we can use it. And the same way we can pass reverse keyword also. Reverse equal to true. If I pass it, then it will be ordering in the descending order 3, 2, 1. The values would be sorted based on the numbers in descending order. If we don't mention, it will be sorting in the ascending order itself. This way we come to end of this video. Mainly we need to remember that the sorted method will be giving us the new list of sorted elements. You can say that new iterable which is sorted. But the sort method, what will it do? It will replace the original element itself, original object itself. So like if we take list, then the list dot sort, what will it do? It will replace the original list itself. And we have key and reverse as the 2 parameters, and key and reverse are the 2 optional parameters. And here key will be a function, any function we can pass it. Based on that, the elements would sort, and then if we take reverse as an argument, by default the reverse argument is set to false. If we want to order it in the descending order, we need to set that reverse parameter to true. So these are the main differences, and this sort is mainly is been a part of list data type, but sorted is a built-in method which will accept any type of data type. It can accept dictionary, list, tuple, string. So these all things it will accept, but this sort will only work for list of elements. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.